Welcome to Smartfm, of course, and as usually every Tuesday at 7 p.m. we have a special program with BPEC Makassar, yeah, of course. And tonight, as usually, I'm not alone. I'm with BPEC. Yes, I'm with BPEC here. Hello, guys.
Hi.
How are you? How are you?
It's good, Kak.
Excellent. Good.
Yeah, sure, sure.
Okay, only one woman here. You are very pretty here. The one. Okay. By the way, check one. Talking about our topic tonight. Yes, our topic tonight is a very unique because we will talk about productivity and toxic and productivity. In this era, of course, in this century, a lot of people in all the world have a crazy goal. So they did and they do. They did and check one. They did and they do, of course, about a crazy productivity. But the question is this health or not? That's why we will talk about toxic productivity. Okay, but before we are going to talking about this topic, maybe one of you guys can tell or explain about what is BPC itself. Maybe from you.
Sure. So, hi, smart listener. Actually, we are from BPC Makassar. So, yeah, BPC Makassar is the oldest community in Makassar. And actually, every Sunday we always conduct in Benteng, Rotterdam. And yeah, I would like to invite you guys to join with us. And it is free. So, there are 6 items in BPC. First, who am I? Yeah, you can introduce yourself. And it is the time to improve your confidence. Also, we have ice breaking. As breaking, we will play a game related with English. You can improve your vocabulary, relate with the committee what they wanna bring. And number 3, we have D&D, debating and discussion. So actually, we will discuss one topic like politics, economy, and etc. And later on, we will like debate. And I do believe if it could be increase your knowledge, not only about knowledge, also your confidence, etc. Number 4, we have building skill. We'll learn about the grammar and anything like pronunciation. It depends on committee. And number 5, we have entertainment. Yeah, you can show your ability, like you wanna singing and anything. And the last, we have announcement. I do believe you will gain a lot of information from that. And also you can share about your information for all of the participants in there.
Okay. By the way, who is your name?
Yeah, hello. So actually, my name is I am Achang. Yeah, you can call me Achang. Yeah, I'm advisor right now.
Okay. Okay, start from you from the corner. Who is your name? Please introduce yourself to a smart listener.
Can I add a little information about
yeah,
BPEC
sure,
first?
sure.
So every single item that have been mentioned by our brother Achang cover in one agenda in one event called Benteng. Lovely Sunday meeting. So that's the main activity we have in BPEC. Of course, we have several agenda also or program in BPEC such as BPEC goes to radio, as you can see, and then BPEC goes to orphanage and many more. And
Your name?
my name, okay. So I'm Amal. So yeah, Amal, Amal.
Who you are?
So I'm a student. Okay. In BPC, I am former advisor, I can say. So yeah, I used to be the head of education. Sector.
Okay. Thank you, Amal.
Thank you.
Okay, could you introduce yourself to smart listeners at home?
Okay, well, let me introduce myself. My name is Givar Sakawali, and you can call me Faris. I'm new committee in BPC.
Newest.
Yes.
New.
New committee.
New and newest.
Sorry.
Okay, you.
Hello, good evening, small listener. So my name is Muhammad Nabil Dafa. My friends call me Dafa. I'm 18 years old. I already finished my first graduate in senior high school. Thank you, thank you.
Okay, hello. Yeah, because I'm the one and only. Okay, hi, smart listeners. My name is Aini from BPC.
Who you are in BPC?
I'm one of committee of BPC.
Ex-comedy or still?
No, still.
Okay, thank you guys because you are ready to introduce yourself to smart listeners, and we are going to talking about this topic. This topic is a very it's very interesting. Consists of two words: toxic and productivity. I want to ask you, start from you, the red one, Blazer Nation. Okay, in your mind, what is in your mind about toxic productivity?
So, to me, toxic productivity refers to the mindset of someone
Mhm.
that one constantly wants to do something.
Before you continue your
Yeah.
speak, unlike your tongue now, you are like a native.
No,
Okay, continue.
but I'm working on it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think it refers to like workaholic.
Uh-huh.
So someone that want to like they want to do a lot of things
Mhm.
at the same time, achieve a lot of goals at the same time.
Mhm.
That's my opinion about toxic productivity.
Okay. Next, what about you, the green one?
About toxic productivity.
Yes.
I mean, toxic productivity is like workaholic or
Uh-huh.
over productivity.
Mm.
I mean, toxic productive is feel desire to always develop yourself
Mhm.
and feel a guilty if you don't do that.
Mhm. Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I see. I see. Okay. You are?
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay, we will continue. Keep your statement. What about you, Achang?
So if you
What is in your mind?
if you see in the name toxic, it means that it is the bad things, right? Because
Mhm.
toxic meaning poison or
Mhm.
racun, for
Mhm.
example. So
Mhm.
I think even if like the productivity and in the next word there are productivity, it is the
Mhm.
bad things because we forced to myself to like we can say hustle culture and
Yeah.
it will make your stress. Perhaps I think that's all. Kak.
It makes stress.
Yeah.
Okay. What about you, Defa? Congratulations.
Thank
It
you.
was great way.
So, in my opinion about toxic productivity, that
Mhm.
obsessed to do
Yeah.
something, or we can say hard work, or we can say overworking,
Mhm.
and then they always work, and then they ignore to take a rest.
Mhm. Mhm.
Yeah, they do anything, but they can sometimes we feel guilty.
They got miss something,
There's
right?
something like that.
Okay. What about you, Miss
Okay.
Miss Aini?
Yeah. To me, because this is the first time I heard toxic
Productivity.
productivity.
Mm.
But I mean,
Yeah.
I think this kind of thing is something that people feel but don't realize that it's actually happened with themselves,
Mm.
right? So someone who can objectively mention or saying that or call them is
Mhm.
are toxic productivity is someone who look at the activity. For example, there's the hectic in a whole day, for
Yeah.
example, but they actually not understand that, oh, this is me,
Mhm,
actually,
mhm,
right?
mhm.
Because I think that there are some of people out there that maybe people actually watch their activity from maybe from their posting, for example,
Mhm.
but they actually don't realize that they are in the situation where they are overproductive at the end of the day. So I think this kind of person who call toxic productivity that don't realize themselves.
Okay. Do you think? What do you think about the bad impact of this phenomena?
Of course, the bad impact that, yeah, because it's coming from toxic
Mhm.
productivity means that it will be toxic in their activity.
Mhm.
It will toxic for their mental, for example, maybe,
Mhm, mhm.
and also healthiness.
Mhm.
Yeah, because I guess that the moment you have the toxic productivity means you forget all things that normally people are do, right? The moment you are, for example, in the time where for example, in the 7 a.m. Yeah, you actually wake up in the morning and then do many things in whole day until night again. But in normal people maybe do such a thing for example, in the noon or afternoon. They actually enjoy the time with their family, for example, or take a rest. But they actually full of the day they looking for or seek out, maybe if they actually not in the on the activity.
Okay.
So they actually looking for that.
Okay. What about you? Could you make a small sample of general explanation about bad
example,
impact? Yeah, the bad impact.
So I have a friends when I was in senior high school. I heard from my teacher. My teacher talked with my friends' parents. They told this my kids always study. They always forget to eat. They always forget to sleep. Someday, someday. One thing they only study, and then my mom call
911.
my mom call her,
Continue.
and then she ignore their call from the mom, and then the mom not tell the teacher, this is my kids always ignore my call because they always study. They forget anything. They just in her mind only study.
Okay, nice statement. Keep your statement. We will be right back after this. Don't go anywhere. Stay tuned on Smartfm 101.9.